What's up mga kabites? It's your resident biter Really Bites. Welcome back to my channel. I'm here today sa Pangasinan at Calibra Island. We're doing an island hopping eksena. So I'm about to go to JC and his cousins who are currently swimming. This is some sort of uh, ano lang siya, near lang siya sa Solimar where we are staying. And ano siya, ayun na nga sila, nahanap ko na nga sila. And tingnan natin, tara. So, anyan lang yung view, ang ganda ng beach. And ito yung first summer eksena ko, so far. Okay naman siya, it's fun. I'm just a joiner here. In-invite lang ako ng family ni JC sa side ng mom niya. So, andyan na sila lahat. They're swimming lang. So, this is probably around 20 minutes from the area where we were staying. We're staying at Solimar Resort. Yung link po nila nasa baba. So, ayan na si JC. Papasikat siya kasi magaling daw siya lumangoy. Pero ang tawag dito, ang linaw talaga ng water. And then, after dito, may isa pa kaming island na pupuntahan. So, we're gonna stay like around an hour lang. Medyo maraming tao, pero I mean, carry lang kasi syempre it's a public place naman. So, okay lang. I don't mind naman having a lot of tao. And may area doon sa likod na let's go. Kasi medyo ano siya, bawal mag-swim doon. So, wala masyadong tao doon sa beach, pero marami nagpapapicture. So, ayun lang. Ang tawag dito, sa Solimar, ang sarap ng food nila, sobra. They had this chorizo. I don't know what's it, longganisa ba yun? I don't know what it's called, but mayroon siyang toothpick na kasama. It's super masarap. Sabi ng mama ni JC, masarap daw talaga yun. And it's very expensive, 120 yata per kilo. I don't know if expensive ba yung ganun. I don't know if per kilo. Pero this is another area of the Calibra Island. So ayan na siya. Calibra Island Beach Camp. Ang next island po namin ay Crocodile Island. We're not sure kung maraming crocodile doon, pero sana naman wala. At saka, nag-rent kami ng cottage kahit mga 1 hour lang kami here. So, eto na nga, tinutour ko yung mga ibang area. And, uy, ang ganda ng treehouse niya, in fairness. So, ayun lang. First bilad ko of the summer. So, mangingitim na ako. Kasi it's April na, officially summer. Kasi, pagkatapos ng March, pagkatapos ng Fire Month, summer na. I'm not sure if pwede ako dito. Wala namang nakalagay na bawal. But I'm currently just basically exploring the area. Sana walang magalit. And medyo forest area na siya. Kinda scary. Oh, may area na where I can tatry ko ikutin yung buong island para makita natin siya. Let's experience it together. At sana walang killer dito somewhere. Pero sobrang ganda, sobrang linaw ng water. Etong part na to Merauke, so kaya walang masyadong naliligo. Pero doon so may maraming tao. Uy, ayun na yung ibang tao nagpapapicture. So baka maikot ko na yung buong island. Mabilis lang siya, sobrang liit lang. So, tingnan natin. Maganda yung view dito. Dito mo makikita yung, ayan mo, ay yung parang rocks sa ilalim ang tawag dito, sa ilalim ng water. So, makikita mo gaano linaw yung water. Ayun lang siya. So, again, this is Pangasinan. And then, we're staying at Dasol sa Solimar Resort. So, yung link po ng page nila nasa baba. If you wanna stay somewhere here, I recommend Solimar so much kasi sobrang bait ng owner. Nagsaserve siya, pumupunta siya palagi sa cottage namin, sa room namin. Tapos pag may kulang, pinapaserve niya agad. Tapos sinecheck niya. Kagabi, nagstay up pa siya late kasi ang tagal na nila natapos mag-inuman, kumain, at saka chumika. So, ayan lang. And, hi. Nakita nila na nag-vlog ako. So, eto yung sabi nung guy, may vlogger tayong kasama. So, this is the area that's bawal mag-swim. And marami nagpapa-picture. As you can see, I don't think it's safe to swim here. Pero may area naman na maliit where you can do that. But here, andito yung nakita ko kanina, marami nagpapa-picture. So, ayan lang siya. Basically. Wait lang. Baka ito na yung thumbnail ko. So, ayan lang yung view. So, ilang minutes na ba tayo mga kabites? 6 minutes! Oh my God! Medyo chill pa naman yung mga waves. Let's just brave the waves. And then brave the rocks. I don't think these are natural rocks na parang may semento siya pero parang natural din. Tapos natangay bigla yung Crocs ko. So, ayun lang siya, yung buong island so far. And andyan yung starting point ko kanina. So, try nating akyatin dyan. Again, this is bawal na area for swimming kasi baka matangay ka ng alon, mapunta ka sa rocks, at maging kwento ka na lang. So, yeah. Wait lang. I'm gonna swim after. I'm gonna show you the next island. There will just be 2 islands for this island hopping eksena. I didn't feel the need to rent another cottage, but I think they had to. Kasi they wanted somewhere where we can place our things. So that's what they did earlier. And even 1 hour lang, yeah, they still had to rent. So ayan, nakalagay, bawal maligo dito. So, may mga gumawa ng mga rocks na pang balance na eksena. So, ayan yan yung another thumbnail. So, eto yung area na, pabalik na tayo. Habang paubos ng aking minutes, sana na-enjoy nyo ang aking quick Colibra Island tour. So, if you want to check this out, contact nyo na lang yung front desk ng Solimar para maano nyo sila, ma-connect nila kayo dun sa mga bangkero. The bangkeros, they went lang to our resort to fetch us. So, naka-pick up kami. Tapos, nakasunod kami habang nasa pick up. Naka-motor lang siya. Si Sir Nel, super accommodating niya. Lahat ng mga tanong namin, sinasagot niya. Siyempre, trabaho nila yon, pero he's very polite, very nice. And since hindi kami kasya sa isang boat, kasi 8 lang yung pwede sa isang boat, he had to call another boat. So 2 boats lang kami. 7 sa kabila, 6 kami sa other one, which was slower kasi heavier kami sa kabila. We were bigger men. The other side was some boys and then the women. So, ayun yung other side. Ayan, magna 9 minutes na po tayo. Thank you for still staying with me. Again, mag-reach na po ako after. And, ayun lang. Magiging tan na ako. I'm gonna miss my light skin. Di naman ako maputi, pero yeah, iitim na ako. This is the area where people are taking lots of pictures. So, I'm back to where I started, where the cottages are. This is where it is. Ayan na siya. That's where I started. So, oh my God. Naikot ko yung buong island. Thanks for joining me. Ayan na si Tito. And yung things namin. Wait lang. So, ito yung things namin. So, ayun na lang. Ayun na ulit. That's back where we started. Ayun lang. If you haven't yet, please do click like, click subscribe, drop your comments, and stay tuned for my next vlog. Follow all of my social media. Ang links po ay nasa baba. And that's the other side. Ayan, nag 10 minutes na po tayo. So, maligo muna ako. Ayan lang. Bye!